Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy, and today I'll be using this aloe vera to make some aloe vera juice. So firstly, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and remove the bottom part of the aloe vera, and we want a decent size, okay? We want a decent piece of aloe vera to make our juice. So okay guys, I'll be using this portion to make my juice. So firstly, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and remove the prickles, okay? Okay, fantastic. And we're gonna use the inside, the gel part, so we're just gonna remove the skin. One trick to eliminate the bitterness of the aloe vera, you can go ahead and place it in the freezer overnight, or you can just allow it to drain. So yes guys, this is the part of the aloe vera that we want to use to make our drink. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the blender, yeah? Then I'm just gonna add some filtered water. Right here, I have some lime juice. And it's best to use citrus juice to kind of mask the strong aloe vera taste. And right here, I have some honey. And this is all the ingredients we need for this aloe vera juice, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put to blend. And here we go guys, our aloe vera juice is ready, and we want to go ahead and serve this over ice. And here we go guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and please do enjoy your aloe vera juice, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are new, thumbs up the video, and I will catch you in another one pretty soon. Goodbye guys.